If you don't have the buy box, you're probably not making sales. In today's video, I'll show you a few strategies that actually work. Now here's the buy box pretty much. It has the add to cart. If you're competing with other people, you might not be winning the buy box and that add to cart won't be there for you. And that is bad. You can see that there's 6 other sellers on here and they're probably not generating any sales because they're not winning the buy box. So the goal of this video is to help you win the buy box. There is a tutorial that Walmart offers on how to win the buy box. They even say how it works. And the buy box is determined by your price, your shipping fee, your delivery speed, and your seller performance metrics and the customer's experience. So there's a few different things that change the buy box. Mainly, there's a few, and that's going to be shipping speed and price. That's going to be the main thing. I know that Walmart says a lot of different things can do it, but it's mainly just going to be shipping speed and price. And I'm going to be going over that in today's video. There's the buy box. We've got notes, pro tips. Use our buy box checklist to help you increase your chances of securing the buy box. And they've got a little bit of a checklist. I'm going to open that up really quick. And then we've got the buy box report, pricing insights. We're going to be going over the pricing insights dashboard. Why isn't my add to cart button showing on the item? Pretty much your item is priced too high and you have to contact Walmart. So some fun stuff. Now we got the best practices, fast and free shipping, competitive prices. Walmart compares your prices to Amazon. So if you're priced higher than Amazon, sometimes they won't let anybody win the buy box. Excellent post-purchase experience. Keep items in stock, right? Then we have another item right here. So you can see this is sold and shipped by somebody else. The first thing that you want to do to win the buy box is convert all of your listings to WFS. That's fulfilled by Walmart Fulfillment Service. So it should say sold and shipped by Walmart, right? Or sold by you and shipped by Walmart. So in order to do that, what you're going to do is go to your listings and you're going to convert them into Walmart listings. And then you'll go to the WFS tab and ship your items in. So welcome to Walmart Fulfillment Services. And this is where you can ship your items into Walmart. And then it's automatically going to be 2-day shipping. It's going to increase your sales. And there's a higher chance you're going to win the buy box almost no matter what. Number 2 is going to be pricing. So I already mentioned this, but pricing is super duper important. You're going to go to pricing and then the pricing tab, it literally tells you your buy box win rate. So you want to get this up. This is your competitive price. So you need to show them that your price, if you click submit a match, right? You're going to submit a match. You're going to look on Amazon and find a competitor that's selling something like this or similar to your product or the same product and show Walmart that your price either the same or lower than the Amazon product. Put that in here. That's going to help you win the buy box as well, right? You can also contact Walmart and be like, hey, I should be winning the buy box and try to dispute it with them. It is very difficult and annoying to do, but it does work as well, right? So this pretty much tells you how much you're winning the buy box. If you're not at 100%, you know you're probably doing something wrong and you want to try to get it higher, right? So we got some details, different set incentives, stuff like that. So those are going to be the different ways, the 2 most important ways to win the buy box. Again, it's going to be converting your items to WFS, utilizing that service. And then the second thing is going to be looking at the pricing tab and maybe your price is too high or compared to the competition, your price is too high. Those are the 2 best practices and you'll be winning the buy box in no time. Worst case, you can contact Walmart. Now, after you win the buy box, what you want to do to increase your sales is going to be listing quality score. You're going to go to growth listing quality. You want to get this to 81%, all of your listings. Now, this is difficult. So what you want to do is just focus on your best sellers first. Right here, you can see a good seller is at good. It's at 77%. We want to get that to 81%. This is pretty much showing you exactly what Walmart's algorithm wants in order for you to succeed. So again, you could submit a match here, and then you can click 9 issues, and it tells you exactly what you need to do to get that listing quality score to 81%. So do that. Number 2 is to convert all of your listings to WFS. I mentioned that 3 times. Number 3 is to have at least 1 5-star review. So if your listing has no reviews or even worse, has bad reviews, You want to try to enroll in the review accelerator, enroll items and do that. You could have friends purchase your item and try to leave a 5-star review. It is unethical and technically against Walmart's policies. No, they most likely won't catch you yet, right? But they might come back and bite you in the butt. But you can also do that if you wanted to get 1 5-star review. Just make sure your friend doesn't live with you. They don't have the same last name, basic stuff like that. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, if you need help with anything in this video or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is where we're going to come in. We're going to fully manage your Walmart account, help you optimize all of your listings, your designs, help you get brand portal registered, increase sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is you can spend time working on your Walmart business and expanding it, while we're the ones that are contacting Walmart for you, taking hours to fix an issue, making sure all of your listings are up and running, helping you save time, money, and increasing your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.